Okay, quick link. Quick tip from the Internet Tutor. Here we are again, Internet Tutor, back once again. We're up in our little office at home. It's sort of like early hours in the morning. Sometimes we're up late. What I wanted to do is just talk about, just very quickly, I never plan these videos, just quickly thought I'd just grab the camera. I'm going to quickly talk about permalinks on WordPress. If you want a WordPress blog, and WordPress blogs are, by the way, we're going to be doing a load of videos about how powerful they are. It's not just about running blogs, they're so powerful, it's unbelievable. We're going to be talking about that and combining RSS feeds with WordPress and everything. But what I thought we'd just quickly look at, just looking at a friend of mine, this is a friend of mine's blog, this is Daniel's blog, and I just wanted to quickly put this camera on because I had a look at his structure. Well, what am I talking about now? Okay, let's have a look and I'll explain this to you exactly what I'm talking about. This is his blog, and what it is, you can scroll down, you can see all his posts and so on, and bits and pieces. Yeah, great guy, this guy. Now, what I was going to say is this is something that will take 5 seconds to do, and it's up to you how you do this, and it's up to everyone what they do. Now, if you've got a WordPress blog, and it doesn't matter whether it's actual blog or whether it's, you know, you're actually using WordPress for a store or whatever, and we're going to go put loads of videos together about this because there's so much we can do here. I'm very excited about this because I've got so much information to give you. Yeah. Anyway, right, let's have a look. Now, what I'm going to say is the structure. We'll have a look at his blog, and then we'll look at my blog, and I'll tell you exactly what I've done. Now, the structure of his, so he's got his blog on the root of his domain. Okay, fine. And then what happens is each post, so let's just go down to this one, burning the candle or something, yeah. So he's got a post here that he's put up on February 2009. So if we click on this and just go to the actual page that it's created for that post, I want to talk about the structure of this here. Now, what we have here, because we're talking about SEO here, by the way. Now, I'm not a master in SEO or anything, and I always play the numbers game, so I would say it has different blogs and different ways of doing things. Now, the reason I'm looking at this is because off the bat, when I say off the bat, you know, the way that WordPress sets it up originally, it may be different now because I haven't done an installation for a little while. It sets it up in a certain way. Now, it looks like here that he's got almost a default kind of permalink structure. In other words, it has his domain, and then it has the year, the month, and the date of the post, and then the name of the post. In this case, burning the candle. Okay. Now, there's a different way to do it, or there's any ways you want to do it. Now, I personally, and this is only my view, and I'd like you to leave comments. I personally wouldn't. I'm trying to focus this camera. I personally wouldn't bother with all of this date business. Now, this is me. But you could have a combination of this or whatever. But I want to just basically tell you how this is put together. Now, obviously, I can't access his blog. But we're going to now look at my blog. Okay. Okay, here's my blog. Simple WordPress blog. Haven't even got a decent template on it or nothing. You can change this all the time. That's the fantastic thing about WordPress. And we're going to be doing a lot about WordPress. Right, okay. I've put a recent post in here, copy and profit review. We'll just scroll down here. Again, my blog here is on my root. Okay. If you don't understand what these things mean, we're going to talk about some basics on some loads of other videos and stuff. We've got so much to talk about. Right. Okay. So you've got 5 minutes left here. Tape's running out. Right. Just very quickly, we're going to go into it. Right. So we've got this one: make money with ClickBank and eBay. Let's just quickly go into this one. Now you see my permalink structure is totally different to Daniel's in the fact that I've got adambarrington.co.uk/make money with ClickBank and eBay.html. Yeah? And that's very important. How that's set up. It's very different. Yeah? We'll go back again, we'll go to copy and profit review. Any page, the structure is different. So we've got adambarrington.co.uk/copy and profit review.html, yeah? So what I'm trying to say is it almost appears as if that is a legitimate HTML page. Yeah? Right, let's go into the WordPress control panel and I'll show you exactly how that's set up. Now this is in the permalink structure. And what it is, this is in the WordPress setup here, admin. Because they actually give you an example here. For instance, it uses tokens. So for instance, their structure example is year, month, days, post name. Yeah. So then they say the result would be this. Yeah. Right. And that's the structure that Daniel's got. He's actually got that exact structure there. He's got his name, domain, and then the year, month, and then yeah. That's what he's actually picked, that structure, or it was a default or whatever. Right. Now you can have the structure however you like, but what I love about mine is mine's actually my own structure, and it's so simple. It's just that, and I love it because I thought it up myself. So we've got, so the structure will always be adambarrington.co.uk / whatever the post name is. So if it's eBay, make money with eBay, whatever, .html. I love that structure. It's such a simple structure, but you can change the structure. You could have that .php. And what I'm trying to say is it's an interesting situation with WordPress, the way that you can structure the permalinks. Okay, I just thought I'd just share that with you. It's a very simple thing, and we're going to be talking about this. We're going to be doing some really big things with WordPress and using structures and things like this to basically. Because what we're doing is we're basically creating sites or creating things using WordPress and so on, but making them look like probably like kind of like old school kind of systems by using this new technology. If you don't understand anything that I've said, leave a question or a comment or whatever at the bottom of this video, and we'll make some more videos and we'll explain everything. But actually I'm really proud about making such a simple structure like that, but it's so effective. And like I say, it doesn't have to be like that. It could be postname.php or something else, or we can do something else. We could do postname in a folder, or there's just so many ideas you can do with it. But I do think that this kind of structure, which is what Daniel was using, is I don't know. I mean, post your comments and we'll talk about it. But I just thought I'd let you into that. The permalink structure in WordPress is quite important, and it's WordPress is awesome. We're going to be making tons and tons of videos about WordPress. We're going to be basically using RSS feeds from data feeds from affiliate accounts and everything. Yeah, so stand by. It's going to be wicked. It's going to make you a lot of money. So to your success, adambarrington.co.uk. See you soon.